Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning and best wishes. Thank you for the opportunity given. On this occasion, I will present my research proposal entitled The Influence of Job Interest, Internship Experience, and Soft Skill on the Work Readiness of PAP Study Program Student in the 2021 academic year UNJ. Next. Chapter 1, Introduction. Next. First, there is a research background, the integration of technology in the Society 5.0 era accelerate changes in the world of work. But behind unemployment of college graduate indicate a gap between competence and industry need. Therefore, job readiness is crucial and higher education need to adapt to produce graduates who meet the demand of the labor market. We can see in the figure about the open and employment rate based on the level of education data in 2024. Next. Furthermore, based on BPS 2024 data, the open and employment rate in Indonesia is still high, especially for diploma and undergraduate. This condition shows that Indonesia human resources are not fully prepared to face the work of work. So, it is necessary to increase student work readiness. Internal factors such as job interest and external factors such as internship experience and soft skill are the main keys in improving this readiness. Next. Data from the Ministry of Education, Culture, Research and Technology 2024 show an increase in student participation in the MSIB internship program, which plays an important role in the development of technological skills. In addition, soft skills such as communication and leadership are key to work readiness in the digital era. According to the WEF 2025 report. The differences in the result of previous studies encourage the need for further studies to identify the influence of variable clearly and thoroughly. Next. Based on this research question, the study aims to determine the effect of job interest, internship experience, and soft skill both individually and simultaneously on the work readiness of PAP student in the 2021 academic year UNJ. Next. Theoretically, this research is expected to enrich studies related to factors that influence student work readiness. Practically, the results of the study are useful for students to understand the importance of work readiness for university as material of curriculum evaluation and for industrial world as a reference in the recruitment process. Next. Chapter 2, Literature Review. Next. The first supporting theory work readiness variable. Based on the table, the definition of work readiness was put forward by three experts, namely Setiarani et al. 2022, Sama and Septinidias 2023, ASCII and Mukiana 2024, which if included that work readiness is the person physical, mental, experiential, and attitude conditions that allow them to enter, survive in the work of work without requiring long adjustment. Next. There are 5 indicator work readiness, namely accountability, adaptability, ability, interaction, and self-perception. Next. The two supporting theory of job interest. Based on the table, the definition of job interest was put forward by three experts, namely Sugianto and Harnanik, 2020, Astuti et al. 2023, Weal et al. 2025, which if concluded that job interest is a personal motivation and psychological drive that encourage individual to work, set goals, and grow in a career field they are passionate about. Next, as for the indicator of work interest consists of five, namely personal awareness, the existence of external motivation to act, interest, educational background, and satisfaction. Next. The three supporting theory of internship experience. Based on the table, the definition of job interest was put forward by three experts, namely Muhammad, 2021, Putri, 2023, Valentina, and Muksini, 2024, which if concluded that internship experience is a learning process where students apply their knowledge and skill in a real work environment to gain responsibility, solve problems, and develop professionally. Next. As for the internship experience, indicator consists of five, namely the long of internship work practice, development and education of human resources, strengthening of learning outcomes, workplace skill, and attitude formation. Next. The fourth supporting theory of soft skill. Based on the table, the definition of soft skill was put forward by three experts, namely Widarto, 2020, Halford, 2022, Marin Zapata et al., 2023, which if concluded that soft skills are interpersonal and socio-emotional abilities used in interacting and working with others, which are essential for personal and professional success. Next. Well, the indicator of internship experience consists of five, namely communication skills, responsibility, cooperation, adaptation, and synchronity. Next. Furthermore, based on the result of previous research, it can be seen that most researchers mention that both job interest, internship experience, and soft skill all three have a positive and significant influence on work readiness. Next. Based on the hypothesis and conceptual framework in the figure, this research hypothesis states that job interest, internship experience, and soft skill each have a positive and significant effect on work readiness, both individually and simultaneously. Next. Chapter 3, Research Method. Next. This research will be conducted for 3 months, from April to June 2025, at the Office Administration Education Study Program, Faculty of Economic and Business, State University of Jakarta. The method used is quantitative research with a causal associative approach to analyze the effect of job interest, internship experience, and soft skill on student readiness to face the work of work. Next. The population of this study were 260 school of the UNJ Office Administration Education Study Program who had participants in internship and soft skill development. The sample taken was 192 students based on calculation of the Slovene formula. Next. In this study, the data collection technique used a questionnaire with a Likert scale to measure student perception, while data analysis was carried out with the help of SPSS software. Next. Thus, I submit this research proposal. I hope this research can make a meaningful contribution to the development of student work readiness. Thank you for your attention and opportunity. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.